Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel Exp19 Excel Chapter 8 ML2 Reading Score. We can move to the instruction file. So instruction file is the Exp19 Excel Chapter 8 ML2 Reading Score. If you want to complete assignment or exam, you can contact on my WhatsApp link and email. If you want to complete MylTLab courses, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint, and Microsoft Access, we can do online courses, accounting, math, stat, finance, economics, and other courses. We can move to the step number 1. So step number 1 is start Excel, download and open the file name exp19 Excel chapter 8 ML2 reading score. XLS grader has automatically added your last name to the beginning of the file name. Go to the Excel worksheet. I have already downloaded the Excel file. We can move to the step number 2. So step number 2 is in the range F2 to H2, insert the function to will the calculate average for each for the group control CBT only hybrid. Select the ranges F2 to H2, copy the range and paste the Excel worksheet. Control CBT only and hybrid. Type is equal to and type the average function. Type is equal to and type the average function. And calculate the average for each group control CBT and only hybrid. Select the range as a control A2 to A25. Close bracket and press enter button and apply the CBT only average function. Type is equal to and type the average function and CBT only range B2 to B25. Press close bracket and apply the enter button and apply the hybrid average function. Type is equal to and type the average function and select the range as a hybrid. Close bracket and press enter button. Next is step number 2 is a complete. We can move to the step number 3. Step number 3 is in the range F3 to H3. Insert the function that will calculate the median for each for the group. Copy the range F3 to H3. So apply the F3 function. Type is equal to and insert the median function. Range is a control A2 to A25 and press enter button. Next is a G3. Type is equal to and type the median function and range is a CBT only B2 to B25. Press enter button and next is a hybrid. Type is equal to and type the median function and range is a hybrid C2 to C25. Press enter button. So step number 3 is a complete. We can move to the step number 4. Step number 4 is in the range f4 to h4, insert the function that will calculate most respective value for each the group. Copy the range and apply the paste. Type is equal to and apply the mode function and range is a control A2 to A25. Press enter button. A2 to A25. Close bracket and press enter button. Next is CBT only. Type is equal to and type the range is B2 to B25. Sorry, apply the mode function. My range is a B2 to B25. Press enter button. Type hybrid. Select the hybrid cell and type is equal to and type the mode function and apply the hybrid range C2 to C25. Press enter button. Next is the step number 4 is a complete. So the next step is step number 5. Step number 5 is in the range f5 to h5, insert the function that will calculate the highest value for each for the group f5 to h5. Copy the range and paste the range. Type is equal to and type the control ranges A2 to A25. So apply the max function. Press enter button. And next is the CBT Only cell. Type is equal to and type the max function. And CBT only range is a B2 to B25. Click OK. Next is a hybrid. Type is equal to type the max function and range is a hybrid range C2 to C25. Press enter button and step number 5 is a complete. Go to the step number 6. So step number 6 is in the range f6 to insert a function that will calculate the lowest value for each for the group. Lowest function type is equal to and type the minimum function and control range is a A2 to A25. Press enter button and next is a CBT only range. Type is equal to and type the minimum function and CBT range is a B2 to B25. Close bracket and press enter button. S6 is a hybrid. Type is equal to and type the minimum function and hybrid is a C2 to C25. Press enter button So step number 6 is complete. We can move to the step number 7. Step number 7 is in the range f7 to h7, insert the function that will calculate the variance for each of the group. Use the function that include the so descriptive. Copy the range f7 to h7 and type is equal to and type the variance function. Range is a control range A2 to A25 and press enter button. Next is a CBT only. Type is equal to and type the variance function. Next range is a CBT only B2 to B25. Press the enter button. Next is a hybrid. Type is equal to and type the variance function. And the next range is a hybrid range C2 to C25. Step number 7 is complete. Next step is step number 8. In the range f8 to h8, insert the function that will calculate the standard deviation for each of the group. Use the function that include the descriptive. Copy the range f8 to h8 and paste the range. Type is equal to type stand function, stat function, and range is a control A2 to A25. Press enter button. Next is a CBT only. Type is equal to and type the stat function, and CBT only is a range B2 to B25. Press enter button and hybrid range type is equal to and type the stat function and select the range is a C2 to C25. Press the enter button. So step number 8 is complete. We can move to the step number 9. So step number 9 is format the value in the range f2 to h8 with the comma style 3 decimal places. With the comma style and 3 decimal places. Comma style, number group, and decimal place is the 3 places.